I want you to imagine having an employee that never asks for an overtime pay and never complains. That's exactly what an AI chatbot will do inside your business. While you're sleeping, the AI chatbot will answer all of the inquiries, book your appointments, and even close sales for your business. Most business owners kasi, they are relying on people or their employees who take leaves, who gets tired, or even nagkakasakit. But AI, it's very consistent. It can show up every single day. If you're doing the offline marketing, you rely on manpower. While online marketing, you multiply your manpower with AI. This is not about replacing your people. This is about freeing you up. So you stop being a one-man army inside your business. If you're tired working harder than your business, maybe this is your sign to hire your first AI employee in your business. So, question to you. If you have your first AI employee, what would you let it do?